So in our last video, we see how to add the data source, both Dataverse as well as SharePoint. In this video, we are seeing how to perform the CRUD operation on our Dataverse table. So for that purpose, in our student table, I added some extra columns like file, then the choice column as well as the lookup column. So means all types of column we have. Okay. So I'm not taking this additional columns of like text area and other things because those are the similar one. Currency one is present. Okay, we will take one currency as well and we'll give name to this column as a fees. Okay, and this type of data type is number. So means all data types we are submitting here. So we make added some columns in this data source. Okay, whenever you do any modifications in our column is adding or removing any additional column, so we need to add our data source one more time. So let's wait for saving this column and then add our data source one more time. Okay, so this is our logical name of our table. So here you can see t dash srj student. So we are going to our solution, added command, pack code, add data source a, data source t, and then the name of the table, and let's click on the enter. Now you can see connected as our account. Okay, Ravindra at the rate fees@tpmicrosoft.com. Okay, so I need to one more time pack auth create sign in as well as sign into the specific environment that we need to do. So that's why purpose I'm using pack auth create command here. Now I need to select an environment here. Okay, so for that purpose we have our command. First I will go in developer resource and copy the environment id pack auth. Sorry, we have to write the command like pack env select that dash environment and then our environment id. So you need to understand these errors. Okay, so it is using the default organization url. You can see that's why we failed to add our data source. Okay, so now we will run the same command. Okay, pack code add data source a dataverse t srj student. Okay, so let's run command one more time. Okay, so now you can see it is added successfully in third time. Okay, sometime it fails. Okay, so you need to rerun the commands. Okay, you just don't have to see the, you have to correctly see the appropriate message. So we added our second data source as well. Okay, srj classes, because in our lookup column we are using this, right? So that's why purpose we added the second column table as well. Okay, now let's we give the prompt to it. So here we added the prompt. You can see please create a separate component and then import in the main file, create a modern Microsoft Power Apps canvas application. Okay, we are not building. Okay, CRUD operation on code apps. So this prompt I just given. Okay, and let's see what output is it generating for us. Let's use it to our copilot bot now. Okay, so here I'm just increasing the speed of the word. Okay, making it 2x, so you will not waste your time. And after creating it, I will guide you what is created, what code is responsible for what. So everything. So all the changes are done. Okay, I'm just giving the final form. Now build and push the changes. Okay, now let's see what output we have. So it will first, let's push it and let's see what output we are getting. Okay, so we are verifying the current state, run and build, then we commit the push. Okay, so it is building our app. So additional thing, it is pushing that to the git as well. Okay, so everywhere it is present, and I can, whenever I want, I can utilize this code. Okay, that is one of the advantages we have now. Okay, hello. Hello. Okay, so it is asking us to push the code blind. Okay, so we will push the code. Okay, that is not a issue. Okay, so for the pushing the code, we have a command. Okay, so I will write that command for pushing the code because it will take a lot of tokens to push the code. So first I will run the npm run dev. So it will run locally. So this is our local source. Okay, so control click, we can play our app here. Okay, on our localhost. Okay, so whatever we required. Okay, so you can see it is created for us. It loading. It is local source, it take more time. So let's see the form. Okay, all things are correct. Gender, class name. Okay, we given the option for the searching purpose. Okay, okay. So it is not added currency and other things. We will give second prompt and ask him to add. Okay, now let's open one more new terminal and push our code to the our power apps. So here is our final command, npm run build pack code push. So this will push our code to the make.power apps, and there we can play the app. So whenever you run the command, you should be in the correct path. Okay, that is the most important thing. Neither you will face an errors. Okay, so app is published successfully. Okay, so I will copy the URL and go to our make.power apps, and then simply just run the command here. Paste the URL and see how our app is working. So you can see we created an code apps. Okay, and it is reflecting properly. Now let's create, first let's edit the record and try to add some file. Okay, class name power apps gender male. Okay, and let's choose a file. So I'm just adding one demo file from my downloads. Okay, any file that is smaller and useful as well. Okay, so it is updating. Okay, so record upload updated successfully for the first one. So let's see in the backend it's accurately added or not. So if it is added, then we should be happy. If not, then we need to play one more time the prompt, or either we have to fix it manually. So let's say do the hard refresh. Okay. Okay. So our file is working. You can see, and if I edit this record by the form. Okay, so if in form it is present, then we can download it as well. Okay, so some of the additional features we will add it here. Okay, but here we can see I'm not moving forward, but in our next video now we will add display this class gender. Okay, and as well as the other fields like currency and the status and other things we will add it here. Okay, so keep watch the next video, friends. If you think we are adding some value, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day to you.